You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. That is a bit confusing. The spelling makes it confusing, but once you know, it's pretty straightforward. The British English pronunciation, how it's pronounced in the UK. Quotas. Quotas. A schwa sound here, an sound, not an so it's not quotas or quotas. Quotas would be the more Latin pronunciation. In American English, in the US, United States, they say it with a flap T that sounds like a D, which makes it sound like quotas. Quotas, that's how the Americans say it, or quotas. Quotas in the UK or Australia, New Zealand, Canada, quotas. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.